Hello, boys and girls. I go by the name ZepFury1. I'm here at the Cheyenne Factory. And I'm your interview host for today. I'm here to talk to a lot of cool people, some tattoo artists, some random people, just about the event. And yeah, enjoy. Thanks. So, Felix, Cheyenne Factory Day. You slept well yesterday? No. You've been on the boat trip, right?
Yeah, we had some fun. We got late. I was fucking drunk.
You're pretty much well known for this. What's your first impression?
Impressions, as always, good weather, good company. I smell like good food coming up, so exciting.
I'm friends with Russ Abbott, so last year he posted a bunch of stuff about it and was like, that sounds like so much fun.
Yeah.
And I just started with Cheyenne, so
cool.
I have to come,
So you're freshly in the team?
Freshly in the team, yeah.
All right, we're just here with the world famous scooter gang from Australia. What's up, people?
And Denver, I just want to say.
Oh, and Denver. You're
Yeah,
from Denver.
I'm just repping it.
So you've currently been on the tour here. Do you like it so far?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I think it's quite impressive, right? When you go here the first time and you expect like a little small manufacturer of tattoo machines, and then you come here and you see this big ass factory, you know?
Yeah. I was here the first time 10 years ago actually, so it's grew a lot.
Ah, crazy. Yeah. Since 10 years, so.
Yeah.
It was incredible to see the production of the needles there, the engineering behind the machines. The needles just shows why Cheyenne make the best needles in the world, man. You know, it was incredible to see that.
Yeah, it's like the whole assembly line. It's so cool. Pretty amazing, yeah.
It's cool because we use that thing every day and it's nice to see how it's made.
Yeah, definitely.
I'll say this, I'm a lot happier being on the side of the needle that I'm on when I just get to work with it and I don't have to build it. That's a lot nicer.
You know how Cheyenne works. It's really perfect.
Whenever I meet a lot of nice people, that's usually a good thing for me, because some places you go and people aren't very nice. So far all the Germans I've met are very nice.
That's my favorite part about the job. We go around Europe, around the world. We meet the colleagues, the people who knows you even if you're first time in the country, and it becomes big community. It's just fun life.
Wow, all the people and just everybody's so happy and just trying new stuff, and yeah, it's really exciting. So it's the first time that I go to this kind of event.
We need to come together as a group and just grow together and learn as much as possible.
You guys are also attending the Tattoo Convention Berlin tomorrow.
We are, yeah.
I'm going Saturday and Sunday because,
You don't believe in Fridays, right?
yeah, Fridays are for the weak.
So what do you think? May I get a drink?
Pretty good idea.
Yeah, not bad.
Thank you very much for the interview. It's been nice.
No worries, man. Thank you. Scooter gang movement.
Scooter gang.
I really want to come back for more times like this because it's been wonderful.